Welcome to Baz Travels.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Tucked away in a quiet corner of Capitol Square is a building that feels remarkably intimate compared to the grand monuments surrounding it. This is the Virginia Executive Mansion, the oldest occupied governor's residence in the United States. Completed in 1813, it has served as both a stage for international diplomacy and a private sanctuary for over 50 governors and their families. While the Capitol nearby represents the head of Virginia's government, this house represents its heart. The design is a masterpiece of federal-style architecture, restrained, elegant, and perfectly symmetrical. It was built during a time when the young American Republic was still refining itself in a visual identity, leaning into the simplicity of brickwork and the grace of the classical arch. But don't let the quiet exterior fool you. These walls have witnessed a staggering amount of history. It has hosted presidents, kings, and the icons of industry, serving as the Commonwealth's primary reception room for over 2 centuries. Within these walls, the social and political life of Virginia has played out in a constant cycle of tradition and change. In the early 19th century, the mansion was center of the social hierarchy that defined the South. Over the decades, it has evolved to reflect the shifting values of the people it serves. It has been a house of celebration, a house of mourning during the darkest days of the Civil War, and a house of transition as Virginia moved into the modern era. One of the most fascinating aspects of the mansion is its dual nature. It is a public museum of Virginia's finest decorative arts and a working office, yet it is also a place where children have grown up and families have shared private meals. This tension between the ceremonial and the domestic is what gives the building its unique character. It isn't a hollow monument, it is a lived-in piece of history that continues to breathe. As the city of Richmond grew from the riverside town into a bustling metropolis, the Executive Mansion remained a constant anchor. It survived the fires of 1865 and the rapid urban expansion of the 20th century, standing as a reminder that the continuity of leadership is vital to the stability of the state. Today it stands not just as a residence, but as a symbol of the enduring nature of the Commonwealth, a place where the past is always present and where the story of Virginia's future is written every single day.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.